Hello, I am making a video to help you with week 4 homework. This is a problem similar to number 3 in your homework assignment in my stat lab. This is a binomial distribution and they gave you n as 5. They gave you the probability as 0.73. They want you to figure out the probability that x is equal to 1. This is the binomial distribution. It's very long and nasty looking, but it's not that bad. But you can also do it in Excel. But I'm going to show you how to do it by hand. So we're going to plug in our numbers. We have 5 factorial, and you have to remember what factorial means. It means you multiply all the numbers from 5 all the way down until you get to 1. This will be 5 minus 1 here. This is 0.73, and we're going to raise that to the first power. And then you have 1 minus 0.73. And you're going to raise that to the 5 minus 1 power. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the math. Click on the next screen. 5 factorial is 120. 1 factorial is just 1. And then 5 minus 1 was 4. 4 factorial is 24. And then 0.73 to the first power is just 0.73. And then 1 minus 0.73 gives me 0.27. And we had it to the 5 minus 1, which is 4, fourth power. When I actually raise this to the fourth power, I got 0.00531441. Now you have to be careful how you enter this in the calculator. Sometimes your calculator does not understand order of operations, so you should do it in pieces. That's what I call it. So we can take 120 and divide it by 24. We get 5, then 0.73, and then 0.00531441. When you multiply all of those numbers together, I get 0.01939. So that's my answer when I did it by hand. You can also use Excel. I'm going to share my screen and show you how to write it in Excel. Okay, let me scoot this over so you can see. And if you look up here in this box where I have binomial dist, that's the command. So the first number you put is your x value. The second number you put is your n value. The third number you put is the probability. And since this is the probability that is equal to a number, the last part you put false. Okay? So once again, the first number is your x value. The second number is the n. Third number is the probability. And since it's equal to, as opposed to less than or greater than, when it's equal to, you put false. Alright, and don't forget to put the equal sign in front of the command. And when you hit enter, I get 0.01939. That's the same thing we calculated by hand. Alrighty, hope this helps.